Greetings, Earthlings! My name's Yuki Koyuki, and welcome to my first collab video with my darling, amazing, wonderful pal, Scomicmaker! Yay! Okay, she's not actually here with me right now, but she will be. Don't worry. You see, today we are going to be making my beloved, cherished, super pal friend guy, Scomicmaker, a little thing I like to call a surprise fursona. Let's get into it, shall we? So, what's the deal with surprise fursonas? Am I just gonna be turning SCOMIC into a funny haha little anthropomorphic animal and then popping it out like a stripper from a businessman's birthday cake? Well, yes and no. A fursona is a furry character specifically chosen for you to represent yourself. So, just waving a magic wand and making SCOMIC a cat or whatever isn't so much representation of herself as it is my interpretation of her and the traits I see. What she sees in herself and what she wants to show off is the most important thing for the character. So, how can I make a character that accurately reflects what she loves most about herself and wants to project? Well, she said no to letting me borrow her body for a bit, so I guess a questionnaire will do. I asked her a couple different questions to really get a sense of her aesthetic and internal view of herself. This is the concept art I came up with based on her responses, and from there I started on the final design artwork. I've joked about SCOMIC being a dog before, and I'm not actually the first person in her community to come up with this whole fursona idea. Awesome art, by the way, Shy. And lo and behold, when asked about her favorite animal or animals she felt a connection to, SCOMIC did indeed answer dog. Unfortunately, dog is a very nebulous animal, which is where her other responses came in. SCOMIC loves swimming and the water, so the breed I eventually settled on for her was an English Water Spaniel, which had the added bonus of sharing similar markings to panda bears, which was another animal she listed as liking a whole lot. For the outfit, I wanted to go with something sweet and casual while still maintaining that classic Scomicmaker style. Oh yeah, baby, height of fashion right here! She mentioned liking florals, so I chose a sunflower design on the overalls dress to represent her sunny personality, and more yellow flower print on the swim shorts underneath to tie in as an accent color. By the way, all the colors I decided to use here are ones she selected herself. Her favorite color is olive green. Who knew? I don't actually know, I'm just assuming because dang girl, there's a lot of green! Overall, I got the sense that she wanted to keep her fursona pretty simple and close to how she already presents herself, so that's what I did. I still managed to squeak in a fun little dip dye hair color though. For the actual illustration, I wanted to do something simple but inviting. I mean, who couldn't resist that big smile and those squishy beans? I also wanted to try and emulate some of Scomicmaker's squishy simplicity from her own character designs, which is why I went with my simpler art style of drawing furries. I feel like if I'd tried to go super detailed on the fur or super sexy with her body shape, it just would have ended up looking weird and not captured the SCOMIC vibe, you know? Drawing her ears was fun because I wanted to emulate that bubbly look that curly spaniel fur has. I maybe could have rendered it a little more, but again, I wasn't trying to go too detailed here, lest I lose that charm all of Scomicmaker's own characters have. The flowers on her shorts and skirt were also super fun. And I guess I kind of threw out all of my worries about simplicity on the big sunflower on her skirt. I pulled it back for the small flowers on her swim shorts, though. I fought with certain shadows for way too long, if I'm being totally honest. I need to learn when to let things go. Blech. I was really married to this idea of having these folds on her skirt, and in the end, it was one of those things where I don't think I nailed it, but I'm not totally dissatisfied with how it looks. I probably could have gone over the whole fabric of the denim overalls and made the color a little richer with more diversity to the shadows, but again, I was shooting for simple. You know, now that I'm rewatching my process, I'm realizing I really did keep this whole design very tight. Maybe too tight? I only really did 1 or 2 passes on the concept art, and it came out well enough, so I went with it. Not doing those extra passes did kind of bite me when I was coloring the shirt. It was looking too dark overall, so I went through and added the white stripes to brighten it up again. During that initial design phase, I was so worried about overcomplicating the design that I didn't trust myself as a designer to stay true to my core concepts. Live and learn, I suppose. Building confidence in your own skills is really important as an artist. Despite everything though, I really do like how this all came out. She looks super cute and the colors work together nicely. She looks fun, like she was just working in her garden or feeding ducks at a pond. But hey, that's enough out of me. I did say this was a surprise fursona, didn't I? SCOMIC has no idea what to expect, so let's show her and see what she says.
So are you excited to see what I made for you?
I'm terrified and excited. I'm ready though.
I think you'll like it. I think you'll like it because I feel like I did something that really fits your aesthetic.
Okay.
All right, let me find it. It's in my files. Okay.
Gotcha.
Okay. And
I'm ready.
ba-bam.
Oh, that's so cute.
Isn't that adorable? So I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth in the video when I talk about this. But you said that you liked swimming. So I wanted to do something a little sporty, a little outdoorsy, but you also have this really approachable energy. So I chose a water spaniel as your species. And you said you had you said you liked pandas. So I did panda markings. And I don't know if you can really tell, but I gave you a little green dip dye in your hair.
I see that.
Yeah. I didn't know what your favorite flower was, but you had some green, like just as accents. And I thought yellow and green would go really well with the blues I have. So that's kind of where those design decisions came from.
Oh, I love this. This is so cute. This is so cute.
I'm so glad you like it.
Oh, that's so cute. I gotta share this with my friend. I have some furry friends who will appreciate this.
Oh, awesome. Yay. That's so awesome. Because like a furry, like getting the approval of other furries, that is just like, oh, peak. I've done my job well.
Oh, you put so much thought into this. And I tried
my best.
I've never heard of a water spaniel.
Cocker spaniels were like actually bred to be like water retrieval dogs. I'm pretty sure.
Interesting.
Yeah, I actually went onto like the AKC and I looked up dog breeds because I was like, okay, I know like Labradors are retrievers, but like, are there other like water dogs? I almost went with poodle, but poodles have the connotation of like high fancy fashion falutin, and you're a little bit more low key and casual based on the like style inspiration you gave me. So yeah.
Definitely. Oh, I love this so much. That is so stinking cute.
I'm so glad you like it. Okay. So let me ask you this.
Okay.
If I were to make a fursona for like another YouTuber, who do you think I should do next?
Ooh. Are you gonna do like, does it matter if it's like a big person or small? Or
not really. I kind of want to draw Critical as a greasy rat.
Oh my God, you have to do that.
Greasy Rat Critical. Amazing. Greasy Rat Critical is coming up next. You got it.
That's so funny. I love that.
And there you go. I'm really glad Scomicmaker liked the fursona I made for her. So please don't forget to check her out. Her everything should be in the description box below. If you would like to subscribe, stick around, and see what I'm doing, please do not hesitate to click those funky little mushrooms down there in the corner. Over here, we should have like a VOD or clip compilation, something. And yeah, Okay, guys, I will see you guys all in my next stream. Koyuki, out!